Good morning, everyone. Well, rain is going to return to Wisconsin today, but I tell you what, most of the day is looking dry. It's really tonight where it's looking like a wet period, but that'll probably linger into tomorrow morning as well. Let me show you what I mean. Starting at 8 a.m. this morning, rain on our doorstep, but everybody dry for the morning commute, so no worries there. I think it's about lunchtime that we're going to start to see these showers work in from the west. And I do want to highlight where you're seeing the showers right now in the southwestern part of the state. That is definitely where the highest chance of rain is today. The rain is really going to struggle to push to the east. So places like La Crosse, Winona, you have some of the better chances of rain today. But even for you, it looks like a better chance, probably a little bit to the south. And this is also a day where it could be a situation where we see showers in the western part of Dane County, but maybe not in eastern Dane County. So Madison also right on the edge, but notice how the showers largely stay to the south and west of you. So an occasional stray shower possible, but I think the bulk of the rain stays away. Here we are at 5 o'clock, and really just isolated showers. Again, mainly in the southwestern part of the state. I'll leave in the chance for Chippewa Falls as well. However, after 5 o'clock, I do think we're going to start to see more and more showers pop up as we go through the evening hours and overnight hours. But I do want to stress, even the early evening hours don't look that wet. Right now, it doesn't look like the activity is going to peak in the state until very late tonight, early tomorrow morning. This is 4 a.m., and this is when rain looks likely, especially for central and southern Wisconsin. Probably mostly showers, but I do think some weak storms could be around as well. No severe storms to worry about, but because storms are going to be around, possibly at 4 a.m., it is possible you can get an early wake-up call if a storm works over you, though I do think it is mostly going to be showers. So the question is this going to impact the morning commute? And I do think it probably is, especially for the eastern half of the state. Now, the activity is going to be trying to shift to the east once we get past 4 a.m., but notice the showers and maybe still a couple of weak storms around for Madison, Portage, Beaver Dam. You're seeing Kenosha, Milwaukee. So plan on fairly wet morning drive on Wednesday. That said, by lunchtime, I think the shower activity is going to be limited to Milwaukee. We're seeing Kenosha will probably be dry already. Places like Portage, Madison, maybe even Beaver Dam. And then by 4 o'clock in the afternoon, the showers that are in the eastern part of the state will have shifted off to the east as well and will all be completely dry, though the cloud cover may linger a bit. And the combination of rain in the morning and lingering clouds in the afternoon are going to hold down our temperatures. So let's talk about temperatures for today, where, again, if you avoid the rain, which I think, again, folks in the northern part of the state, far eastern part of the state probably will, and there's not going to be a whole lot of rain during the day in La Crosse and Madison. I mean, these are comfortable temperatures, mainly in the low 70s, upper 60s, except right near the lake. Might still want to wear a light jacket. In Kenosha or Sheboygan, where highs are only going to be in the 50s. Tonight, very reasonable for this time of year. Temperatures normal or a little above normal. Low 50s, upper 40s is mainly what we're going to be seeing. Now take a look at high temperatures tomorrow. Not quite as warm. We're not going to call it a cold day, but notice that we're largely not seeing the 70s. Maybe a place like Dubuque could get 71, but I think most of us are going to be in the mid to upper 60s, and again, a little bit cooler to the east. That said, even though it's going to be cooler tomorrow, there's not going to be much wind, so no wind chill factor to worry about.